All right, welcome back. So today we are going to be cooking up the heart and the liver of the wild turkey that was shown in the previous video. So we're just gonna cook these guys up and give them a nice taste test. So here, before we get started, here's a little joke for you. Why are turkeys terrible at playing baseball? Because they only hit foul balls. Haha. All right, so without further ado, let's get cooking. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to take the heart. We're just going to cut this guy open and try to remove that main valve there. There we go. And then so once you get that main valve open, we're just going to slice this into fourths. So then what we're going to do is we're just going to take the liver and the heart and we're going to throw it in about half a cup of milk. What this is going to do is it's just going to remove any bitter flavor if there happens to be any. So while the liver and heart is soaking in the milk, what we're going to do is we're just going to chop up about half an onion. And then we're also going to chop up 2 portobello mushrooms. So then once you have those chopped up, what we're going to do is we're going to throw about 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a pan. Then we're going to add both our onions and our mushrooms. So then what we're going to do is we're going to saute the mushrooms and onions up just until the onions themselves are translucent. So then once we get these sauteed up, what we're going to do is we're just going to throw them in a bowl and set them to the side. Then in that same skillet, what we're going to do is we're just going to take our liver and heart and we're just going to throw it into the pan. And then we're just going to cook this up. And as this cooks, what we're going to do is we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil just to give it that nice sear look. So once your meat's cooked and reaches an internal temperature of 165, you're good to go. So what we're going to do is we're just going to remove this from the heat and we're going to throw it into our same bowl as our mushrooms and onions. And then what we're going to do is we are going to take 2 tablespoons of flour and we're going to throw that into our pan along with a half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. And then we're just going to kind of saute the flour and the cayenne pepper together over the pan just for a little tiny bit. And once you get that heated up and then just kind of starting to take off the goodness at the bottom of the pan there, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to take our milk from earlier and dump this in there. And then we're just going to mix it up and basically just kind of make a sauce with it. Once you got your gravy done, what we're going to do is we're just going to throw everyone back in the saute pan and we're just going to get everyone to know each other. And there we have our liver, heart, and onions. All right, so there we have our liver and heart. So, ready to try it?
Sure.
Try the liver first.
Tastes like liver.
It's a little on the bland side, but I think that's how liver just is. But yeah, not bad. Ready to try the heart?
Sure. Now you told me I couldn't tell any turkey jokes this time, but I just can't stop cold turkey.
All right, there we go. That's pretty good. It has more flavor than the liver itself. It has a really, I don't know, it's just pretty good.
It's good.
All right, so well, if you like this video, please hit the like button down below. If you want to see more like it, hit the notification bell. So if you want to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, we'll see you later.
Bye. Hit those thumbs up.